As good as Alter Echo looked and played, it demanded a soundtrack that was equally compelling. Sound designer and composer Jerry Bellongieri let his imagination run wild to create the otherworldly music and sound effects for the game.
You walk around a lot with your eyes closed and you try and hear what things might sound like if you didn't know what they were. In choosing sounds, I tried to go with stuff that was sci-fi sounding, but still something that wasn't synthetic. The sound of time dilation, which is when our lead character sort of goes into this other reality, is the swords and swipes were all done with microphones recording through tubes like this, sort of a hollow kind of a swipe. The world is really alive, so the sound is very much, underneath it all is the sound of biology. These are animal calls.
Once he identifies and records the sounds, Jerry isolates an interesting section and manipulates it with pitch shifting, stretching, and layering. In writing the music, Jerry combined Western themes and orchestral beds with a techno edge to create an otherworldly score for the game.
I was very inspired by the early spaghetti Western music of guys like Morricone, you know, the classic stuff, like The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. You know? And that the bad guy's theme is sort of that good, the bad, and the ugly kind of spaghetti Western thing. And with the heroes, we have sort of a orchestral, like Corigliano score to Altered States, sort of a very weird orchestral sort of soundtrack.
The overall effect is a soundtrack that immerses the player in the strange science fiction world of Alter Echo.